Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell your study notes online. First, gather your most comprehensive and well-organized notes from your courses. Digitize them into a clear, readable format, such as a PDF document. Ensure your notes are accurate, easy to understand, and free of errors. High-quality content is crucial for attracting buyers and building a good reputation. This initial preparation is key to a successful selling experience. Next, select a suitable online platform to host your notes. Popular options include Studoku, Nexus Notes, and Course Hero, each offering different features. Carefully compare their commission rates, which can vary significantly, often between 15 and 50% of your sales. Consider platforms with a large, active student community to maximize your visibility and potential earnings. Reading reviews can also help you make an informed decision. Now, let's talk about pricing and promotion. Price your notes competitively, usually ranging from $5 to $20 per document, depending on their depth and length. Craft engaging descriptions that clearly outline the benefits and topics covered. Promote your notes through social media channels, student groups, and university forums to reach a wider audience. Effective marketing is essential for driving sales and increasing your income. To maximize your earnings, consistently update and add new, high-quality notes to your profile. Engage with your buyers by responding promptly to questions and feedback, which builds trust and encourages repeat purchases. Consider offering bundles or packages of related notes, as this can increase perceived value and lead to higher sales volumes. Continuous effort and good customer service are key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.